Have you ever wondered why some individuals engage in violent behavior? What could possibly be going on in their minds? The human mind is a labyrinth of thoughts, emotions, and impulses. It's an enigma that we're constantly trying to decipher. And one of the most perplexing mysteries is the root cause of violence. It's not a simple case of good versus evil, but a complex interplay of numerous factors. Let's set the stage by introducing the 5 main factors that contribute to violent behavior: genetic and biological factors, environmental influences, mental health conditions, societal and cultural factors, and individual psychology. Each one plays a unique role, yet they all intertwine in ways that can lead to the manifestation of violent acts. To comprehend this complex issue, we need to delve into each of these 5 factors. There's a bigger picture here that we must piece together, a puzzle that could potentially unlock a deeper understanding of the human mind's darker corners. Our first stop on this journey of understanding is the role of genetic and biological factors. The human brain, an intricate maze of neurons and synapses, is a key player in our behavior. Certain structures and chemical imbalances in the brain are often associated with aggression and violence. For instance, an overactive amygdala, the brain's fear center, can lead to impulsive, aggressive reactions. Genetics, too, can influence our propensity for violence. Studies have found certain inherited traits that might contribute to aggressive behavior. However, it's crucial to remember that these genetic markers don't guarantee a violent outcome. They simply make one more susceptible, not destined. And let's not forget, research in this field is ongoing. We're constantly uncovering new insights about the interplay between our genes, our brains, and our actions. As we can see, our biological makeup can play a part, but it's not the whole story. Next, let's consider the environment we grow up in and the experiences we face. It's a powerful influence, often shaping our behavior more than we realize. Childhood encounters with violence, abuse, or neglect can leave deep-seated scars, potentially leading to violent tendencies in later life. This isn't a fixed rule, but a common thread found in many studies. It underscores the importance of nurturing environments for children's development. In essence, our surroundings and experiences can significantly shape our behavior. Moving forward, we come to the role of mental health conditions in violent behavior. Now, it's essential to clarify that certain mental health conditions, such as antisocial personality disorder or borderline personality disorder, may be associated with an increased risk of violent behavior. However, and this is key, not all individuals with these conditions are violent. It's not the condition itself that triggers violence, but rather a complex interplay of factors, including the individual's environment, their personal psychology, and often their experiences of trauma or adversity. Mental health conditions can heighten vulnerability, but they do not predetermine a path towards violence. Like a jigsaw puzzle, each piece contributes to the whole picture, and mental health is just one piece of that puzzle. So remember, mental health conditions can contribute to violent behavior, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. Lastly, we explore societal norms, cultural beliefs, and individual psychology. It is crucial to understand that our society and culture significantly shape our behavior and beliefs. For instance, societal norms, including those that may implicitly or explicitly condone violence, can influence an individual's understanding of what is acceptable behavior. Similarly, cultural beliefs and values can shape an individual's attitudes towards aggression and violence. However, it's not just societal and cultural factors at play here. Personal beliefs, coping mechanisms, and impulse control can also have a significant impact on violent behavior. For example, an individual's ability to manage anger and stress can greatly influence their likelihood of engaging in violent acts. If an individual lacks effective coping mechanisms or has poor impulse control, they may be more prone to resorting to violence when faced with stressful situations or conflicts. Moreover, individual psychology plays a critical role. Each person's unique psychological makeup, which includes their personality traits, personal beliefs, and attitudes, can also influence their behavior. For instance, certain personality traits, such as a propensity for impulsivity or a lack of empathy, can increase the risk of violent behavior. As we've seen, understanding violent behavior requires a holistic approach that considers multiple factors. While genetics, environment, and mental health conditions can contribute to violent behavior, societal and cultural factors, along with individual psychology, also play a crucial role. As we continue to study these complex interactions, we can better understand the roots of violence and work towards effective prevention and intervention strategies. In our journey to understand violent behavior, we've explored 5 main factors, from the subtle interplay of genetics and biology to the profound impact of our environment. We've looked at mental health conditions, societal norms, cultural influences, and the intricate workings of individual psychology. It's clear that the roots of violence are complex and multifaceted, intertwining nature and nurture, personal experience, and societal pressures. Remember, understanding these factors can help us work towards preventing violence and fostering a safer society.